Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, the Christmas tree is up and decorated. So in this video I will be decorating the apartment with some holiday decor and also putting up the Christmas tree. I'll also give you guys a little sneak peek into the recipe that I mentioned in my last video. It is a cranberry orange shortbread that I think is super holiday vibes, and I think it'll be perfect for featuring on one of your holiday dessert spreads this year. If you are interested in seeing more, stay tuned. Alright guys, so the Christmas tree is all done, and I pretty much added all the ornaments on here that I wanted. The tree did come pre-lit, so that was super easy to do. This skirt I believe I got for $20 at Michael's. The ornaments, I got all of those from at home, and I also got this tree topper from Michael's as well. So yeah, ended up adding everything to the tree that I had bought, with the exception of like 3 packs of ornaments, because I feel like it was just getting a little bit too full. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with the final result. What do you guys think? I don't know if you guys remember the 2 trees that I bought from at home as well. I decided to put those on the coffee table, which we just built. And I got this coffee table from Target. The tree was from Target and the deer was from at home, and decided to put that in like this little reading nook. Some additional items that I just purchased from TJ Maxx was this cute Let It Snow spatula and snowflake cookie cutter, and also these cute towels that I might just put on the little handle for the stove. It says Happy Holidays, and the other one says Merry Christmas. Thought those were cute. And then I just decided to add the Merry Everything mug that I purchased from Target. Some additional items that I just picked up from TJ Maxx. I also got like these 2 pillows. We just didn't have any throw pillows on the couch, and these are double-sided with 2 different designs. So this one's just plain white, and this one's kind of like a mixture of white and kind of like tan-ish. And then I got this throw blanket from Target, which I also featured in my other video. Alright guys, so it's been about 2 hours and I let the cookies chill in the refrigerator. And now I'm going to cut them into 1/4 inch slices, coat them in sugar, and then bake them on this baking sheet that I lined with parchment paper. And these will be baked for 12 to 15 minutes at 325 degrees. All right, guys, so cookies are out of the oven and they are looking golden brown and delicious. I must say, these cookies look amazing considering they've been my first cookie to ever try from scratch. I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas video, and I really hope that you try this holiday shortbread cookie recipe. It's super easy to make, and let's not forget that it is super delicious as well. I highly recommend the recipe that I'll be linking down below that I found on Pinterest, so I want to make sure that I give all credits to the baker who came up with this recipe. The cookie is amazing, and I hope that you guys share it with your family and friends during this holiday season. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye, guys.